The Tower City Place, they added a I don't know what type of light is this. Not actually at the heater, at the toxic, but look at the tower. They added like a glowing building at the Tower City Place, formerly the Trump Tower. The Tower City Place added glow lights for the night. They returned. I think they installed it in 2005 and 2007. This building opened 20 years ago. Here it is, everybody. Here's the glow light. Looks kind of nice. We'll do it quick, but not entering the building. They installed it. Glow lights. Here's the bus, CT Transit to Stanford. All right, before we go, let's take a quick picture. This, everybody, the Tower City Place added a glow light on top of the roof. I'll take a picture of Elinor. Here's another CT Transit. Here's the school bus. Hey Luna, sorry, let me wipe my lens. There we go. Sorry, it looked like lasers. We might have to ignore it, right Luna? Yeah. Tower City Place added glow lights on the roof. They installed it back, right? Yes. I'm sorry, Mylon. I'm gonna have to wipe it like this. There, it should be good, right? Yes. All right, let's get Elinor. The rest of the plush will get it to the car. All right. Yes, they had installed glow lights. Yep, this building added glow lights. You could see the green on the rear side of the building. Alright, apologize for the toxic video, but let's cross the street. I think we'll take a picture of this side. I think this is good. Yes! Although they added a Halloween lights, although Halloween is over, but the Tower City Place is going to add some other lights, including Christmas or Thanksgiving. Here's the 13th to Tarrytown. This building looks nice. We'll watch it by when we exit. Call the elevator. Go up to the roof. The building added glow lights for the night. Yes. The call like, alright, we're sorry for another toxic. I don't want to have any hate base cough, right? Yes. Alright, right, Verity, they added lights. Like, I don't know what type of lights. A lantern. Yeah. Alright, that's it. And look at this right here. They added snowflakes for Christmas. Almost Christmas.
Light, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Hamilton Avenue.
Wow. Get ready for winter. But you're about to see the lights of the Tower City Place, formerly the Trump Tower. It opened in 2005. It opened on my birthday, September 21st. Well, I wasn't born in the 5. You can see it right here. The front building has a glowing light. Tomorrow, they're going to install in this street. They added Main Street for now today. Alright. Here's a church.